Hey guys, Barn Geek here. You guys are not going to believe how cheap we're able to build this building. We're in the middle of building this 20 by 30 pavilion. How cheap we're able to do it in 2021 with lumber prices so high, just simply by using sawmill lumber. You're not going to want to miss this one. If you're planning on doing a project this year of any kind, you're going to want to watch this video. Okay, so first of all, I want to go over kind of what this barn or pavilion is. So it can either be a pavilion, as you can see it here, open roof or open side with a basically post with a roof, or you can do you can enclose the whole structure, or you can enclose part of it and have an open porch design. So, and we've got designs for all of those in our barn plans library that you can find in the description. It's a very versatile design, and it can be used for multiple things on the homestead. As far as, using it for a picnic shelter like you see here, using it for an outdoor kitchen, a pool house, hay storage, just a cabin. If you enclose part of it and you have an open porch, it'd make a great little cabin, or even a garage. Enclose the whole thing, put a garage door on the end, and it'll make a great garage. So it's a very universal, very versatile design. So you could even, if you can use it for a cabin, you can live in it. So it could be used as a small home, like an off-grid kind of situation, or add to it, and it can be a full-size permanent home. So it really has a lot of uses, and we're going to go into the cost for this particular size, 20 foot by 30 foot, and some of the features that you can, some of the advantages that you can take advantage of with this design. So if you look up here, you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but there is an open kind of structure between these large rafters that you see above me. Because of that, we can have 8-foot sidewalls or 8-foot posts and a very low sidewall, and then take advantage of a lot of interior space that would normally in a conventional structure be taken up with rafters and bracing. Because of this is post and beam, so you've got a post and a beam that goes across, that allows us to have an open space in between each of these large timber trusses. And your imagination is the only limit to what you can use for that space. So you could put a sleeping loft up there. You could stack hay all the way up to the peak. Just a multiple different types of uses you can use the structure for. We are planning to put a porch swing right from the peak of this structure, and we'll have one heck of a large swing diameter for that swing. But anyway, I digress. Let's get into the cost. Let's get into the numbers and the brass tacks of the situation. So, lumber for the King Post Pavilion, as you see it, it took, let's see, 1,868 board feet to build this structure. Now you can see we're not quite finished yet. We've got 10 more feet at the end to go, but it's 20 feet wide by 30 feet long with a roof. So 1,868 board feet at today's current market price, at the very top of the market for softwood construction grade lumber, you're looking at $1.64 per board foot. That would total $3,063.52 for the lumber to build this particular pavilion with open sides, and that's at $1.64. I just spoke with my supplier locally here. I work with a small local sawmill for our local needs for our homestead, and he said that his rate right now is 75 cents per board foot. Not $1.64, but 75 cents. So at 75 cents, you're looking in the price range of $1,500 for the wood for this particular structure. And then, you know, of course, the steel roofing, I figured that out as well. You're looking at, let's see here. Roofing is right around $1,500, $1,460 and some change, but I rounded it up to $1,500 just to be safe. So for $1,500 worth of roofing material, $1,500 worth of wood, you're looking at $3,000. Now add to that the price of the hardware kit. So we have hardware kits that we offer for this particular design and all of our other designs that are in our Barn Plans library. But our hardware kit would include the U-brackets to attach the posts to the foundation and all the screws to join the beams together. It does not include the screws for the metal roofing. Obviously, you would get that when you got your metal roofing. But as far as all the wood structure, all the fasteners that are required for that are included in our hardware kit. And that price for that is $622.92. So plus shipping. So that's the price if you come pick it up at the warehouse. So yeah, let's say $700 just to make the math easy. So $1,500 for the wood, $1,500 for the steel roofing, $700 for the hardware kit, and so we're not talking about any foundation yet. But for all those costs, material only, you're looking at $3,700, which is, you know, it's a fantastic deal for something like this. Now, I mean, if you go to the retail lumber yard and try to put a package together like this, you're going to be paying significantly more in 2021. So, and you know, prices are really high right now. They could come down, but I would rather not wait for the prices to come down. I'd rather make sure that I have what I need and support a local business as well. But anyway, so what if you want to make this enclosed? You want to enclose the whole thing and make it into a garage or a barn or a shop, you know, or something like that. I figured out that cost as well. Of course, the hardware kit stays close to the same. The hardware kit goes up a little bit because there's extra U-brackets for some interior posts and to support the end walls here. And so the hardware kit would be $770, $190. Let's round it up to $800 just to be safe. And then, of course, you have an additional 2,000 board feet of lumber. That would be your siding, and your girts. So you have girts like these up here above me that go all the way down the posts, and then 1x10 and then 1x10 board and 1x3 batten siding to go on the side is that. So you had all the lumber together. You're looking at around $3,000 worth of lumber, and then $1,500 worth of steel. So you've got $4,500 there, and then the $800 for hardware. So you add all that together, and you're looking at $5,300 for material cost for this package as a garage, or for this particular design as a garage. So if you guys want to build something like this, check out our website, barngeek.com. We have this design and a whole bunch more in our Barn Plans library. I would really encourage you to look into using local rough cut material. It's going to help your local economy. It's going to be less money that goes to the big corporations that really caused this high lumber price crisis in the first place. So if you want to save money, help your local economy, and help your own economy, and build something beautiful, go to barngeek.com and get the plans and get started on your dreams. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and comment below share this video with your friends that want to save money on their project, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.